Wagwan, yeah, hey, those Nigerian people, they talk shit and things for them. They for stop that shit talk. We have them too much. They for stop that shit talk, they talk. If you show this matter, they talk, you know, the war matter, you understand me? If I say I know they see Wizkid superstar, so what the fuck is wrong with your fucking mouth? I don't have a fucking problem with that, you know? Man, huh? I'm a stupid man.
Mega boy, give me beat. Now, J Potter, shut up when they don't fuck up. And if you fuck up with one Nigeria, you have the whole Nigeria to answer. Yeah, give me beat. I want freestyle. Give me beat.
The street is coming for you, nigga.
Alright. Yeah. Mr. Packer on the mic here. Neil, listen. Nigeria artists need a fake, shout a point of correction. You know, if you stand on your own, lack of correction. We they go international, that be connection. So we they sell too much, that ain't be your problem. Try minding your business, offer suggestion. To date, most of my niggas, they wonder the kind of person. Where you be, where you they hate, that be the question. Where you they claim say you be God, without a heaven. You they blab, for your mind you be God. Now you bad pass, you carry gun, they tell us we belong. All the while with the Ghana and Nigeria say we be one. But all your internet writing, they tell us say we they lie. You they look for war, you see they hate, you still won't fight. But Chale, you're no surprise, cause jealousy be part of love. They more, we pay the price, the sacrifice. So don't just wake up overnight to call yourself a winner without a fight. How you won't carry the award where you no qualify? To replay you know so okay, now waiting you define. Oh bright, go get ammo, we'll make you know you they come with the price. Test my Glock, it go hot like a headache. Take Panadol, next thing from the mouth of the iron. Smoky go pop, I say, think of me more. I say your body go pop, till you no go feel the pain again, no show it 24. So you talk say you enter Nigeria with free Wi-Fi, which means Ghana no get network to connect you one time. Careful to avoid Remy moves, 619. And how you want see who's a superstar every day blind. Yeah, we still be the legend. He be too busy to reply, you busy shaking the ass. With international collabs, when you they Ghana the best. But you for do and polite, you jelly beg and for your help. Wizzy took over the world just with the song and one day. So for you to beat him, be wrong but on one chance. Charles me, I'm a Mensa. Very soon Shatta movement go experience operation fight and dance. In Nigeria, we promote every being. You come and feature us with the promote and really quick. No discrimination with everybody we be vim. So no they talk shit our brotherly love, the legit. Nigeria the grace, taking over the world just in a couple of years. And we go still do a lot more if only God go permit. We too real, we need a fake. Everything you they see we get them. Chale, it be grace, thank you. Yeah my nigga, I know they beef you, cause you no go feature my beef even if I beef you. My beef is strong, most of them you no go feed you. And the superstar clothes you drag with you, you no go feed you. Shout out to Sack, all the way from Nigeria, Obidi me feeling your rap. You the best, I must confess it to so many rappers gap. And I got a lot of respect for you, your rap and Sack nation, take them cause Obidi you deserve.
Shut up this, wallet that. If you don't get anything to talk, make you go back where free me. Super this, started that. Ghana state shatter, give me all of my one game. I said, go sit down and sneeze some mutaba. Though you hire something, I'm sure you know be rapper, yeah. You talk to Naija big boys with enough mullah, we go feed buy you a life, but you ain't good liver. Hey, listen, I'm not a rapper, never been a teacher, but shut up, you need to read the science and learn. If you no get one, go ask your neighbor to lend you, or better buy some brain with a pack of sense. You no get respect for the elders in the game. I know you're hungry, but no mess with the lion on them. Sitting in your couch, waiting for a response. Wizzy too busy for your crap, so Charlie, shut up. It be like say your village people to go your brain on as it quick now like a tiger jet. From now till forever, you gonna bounce the show. Cause we on the whip, Chale, we be the upper class. I'm in Naija free born, no hell go for two. Me plus 1 2 2, Ganya get 2 2 2. The day is steam on the rap, could see the right. Chale, we go the cook and we go there like TikTok. And one of the supplies, no go ever be beef rap. If you want get famous, brother, you need to work it out, yeah. Fucking work it out.
Shatta, wanna fuck you.
Yeah, J Packer.